Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel today. We have an exciting topic to explore together. We'll be delving into the world of Python programming and discovering how to convert an image to grayscale using Python code. But don't worry if you're new to programming. We'll explain every line of code step by step. Imports the image class from the Python imaging library module. The image class provides functionalities for working with images. Defines a function called convert_to_grayscale that takes two parameters, image_path and output_path. This function will be responsible for converting an image to grayscale and saving the grayscale image. Opens the image specified by image_path using the open function from the image class. It creates an image object called image that represents the input image. Converts the image object to grayscale using the convert method. The L argument specifies the mode to convert the image to, where L stands for luminance and represents grayscale. The converted grayscale image is assigned to the gray_image variable. Saves the gray_image to the file specified by output_path. The save method is called on the gray_image object, and it takes the output_path as the argument. The resulting grayscale image is written to the specified output file. Assign the paths of the input image logo, PNG and the output grayscale image output.png to the variables image_path and output_path, respectively. Calls the convert_to_grayscale function and passes image_path and output_path as arguments. This triggers the conversion process, where the input image is converted to grayscale and saved as the output image. After you run the code, you will see new file called output.png. Thank you sincerely for taking the time to watch this video. I truly hope that it resonated with you on a deep level. Your support means the world to me, and I am filled with gratitude. If you enjoyed this content, I kindly request that you consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. By doing so, you would contribute to the growth of this channel and enable me to bring you more valuable content in the near future. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your unwavering support.